My name is Kim and I work at an advertising agency. Today I'm going to show you how our priority function works. My boss needs our monthly goals earlier than expected because she will be out of office next week. She sent the task into the group DM, so it's super easy to click into it here. Here in the task card I can see a bunch of details about the task, but I'm going to focus on the timeline and the priority. Being able to clarify at what priority level this task needs to be helps to ensure transparent instructions amongst our team members. Here I'm going to change the end date to tomorrow. Now, since this has become an immediate priority, it's moving to the top of all of our priority lists, and therefore I'm going to change this to highest priority. This ensures that everyone is working on this first. Having the priority setting provides a better understanding of the overall project to the team, as well as communicates assignees' workloads to collaborators. Task force teams that are easily assigned and disbanded on Swit will find this feature to be essential to their everyday workflow. Since every task has varying levels of priority, this filtering function helps specify when the task card needs to be completed or what deliverables are expected. Communicating these pieces of information with a simple priority setting is an invaluable feature for cross-functional collaboration. Now, the best place to look at this is in All Tasks or My Tasks, but for now I'm going to look in My Tasks. Here you can see the project it belongs to as well as the start and end date. It's so nice to be able to see all of this in one area instead of having to look through each project. Next, I'm going to select the priority filter and select highest priority. Now you can see my tasks get narrowed down even further to the tasks that demand my immediate attention. This is super handy not only for employees to map out their daily tasks, but for managers to get a big picture of all the highest priority tasks going on with their team simultaneously. It's so nice to be able to filter out lower priority tasks and be able to focus on the highest priority things on my list. I used to have to click through different platforms and keep a written to-do list to keep track of everything I was working on, but now that we have Swit, it takes me one click and saves me so much valuable time. I love that Swit helps me filter out so many ways to customize my workflow. That's all for priority. We look forward to hearing about how this feature streamlines your workflow.